Hello everyone, today we are going to change the background on WordPress. For changing the background, we have to go to the WordPress file, and after going to the WordPress, we have to go to the appearance, and there will be like so many options are here, and there is another option called background. If we go to the background option, then there will be a screen show up like this, and we can select our image anywhere from files media library. We can give it from our gallery or somewhere, or we can customize any kind of background images like this. There is like so many options are here. We can suppose color and dark mode. We can select color like this, and the screen will be like this. If we want to like color like this, we can give it. If we color like this, we can give it. And if we publish it, suppose we gave it this and we have to publish it. After publishing this, the background will be like this. If we want to like give something here, there will be like some themes are here, and the background, if we want to like change the background color or anything, if we want to give it an image, we can also give it an image. So like this. So this is how we can change the background. So for changing the background, this is it. Thank you.